Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to use AliExpress coupons. So first of all, open AliExpress application on your phone and let's model such situation that I want to make an order. So for example, these necklaces. The first thing that you want to do is check whether the seller supports basically coupons. So to do that, on the item page you need to scroll a little bit down, and if you see this line that is highlighted red, that basically means that this item supports some coupon codes. So here are some coupons that I can use for this order, but before that I need to make sure that I meet some criteria. So to have $1 off, I need to spend at least $8. So okay, so I copy this this coupon code and proceed to checkout page. I have already placed some items in my cart so that it was faster. So tap checkout, and I want to scroll down to section summary and go to promo codes section. Tap enter and enter that promo code that I have copied and press apply button. And now you see that my code is applied and my discount is even bigger. So it's very easy, as I said, to use those coupons on AliExpress, and that way you can save a lot of money. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.